So, how to implement skincare while making up? Black serum is different. Celebure announces that this black serum pack can protect your skin from inside out even when in makeup. Its secret and magic even conquer Lee Jung-suk. Among its ingredients, there are two outstanding ones. The first one is black truffle. Black truffle is known as black diamond in Europe and America as it is a very rare and precious fungi. It contains amino acid with cell vitality, antioxidation, and anti-aging effect. The second one is royal caviar. The microelements contained keep our skin delicate and clean, preventing skin pigmentation, removing skin dryness, and making